Hi guys, how are you doing? So this is the first time I'm meeting you, and it's good to meet you all. So I hope you and your family are doing well. So this video is all about the second part of the lists, and last video we completed the main part of the list, the bigger one, the complex one. So nothing to worry, this will be way simpler, and in this video we'll just cover up how to create lists when the number goes to a huge one like n. So you want to create 0 to 100, 0 to 1000, 0 to millions, like 1 to millions. There are small nitty-gritties which I'll explain throughout the video, and one or two things is like you can also go around with the arithmetic progressions also you can create in the lists. So that's that, and I will directly jump into the video. Guys, one request before proceeding is that please do subscribe, because it's like 97% of the viewers are not subscribed, and it really helps when you subscribe. So once you subscribe, just don't forget to ring that bell icon, and if fresh video comes in, you are the first to know about it. Great, enjoy, bye bye. So hey guys, we are back again, and this time we are just going to worry about how to create the lists with bigger numbers, like 1 to 1000, 1 to millions, maybe like that. So straight to the point. First things first, we need a function that is called range. How does range work? Let me show it to you. So range, type it in. As I told you, you can always give the bracket here and press shift tab. This gives you, like, there are three types of arguments. You can give the self, you can give the stop, you can give the start, stop, and step. Step is again optional. You can always give start and stop. Now understand this, the stop part of it will be excluded. So suppose there are two arguments and you are saying range 1 to 7. So it will give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not 7. Alright. So this is how range works. Let me show you, give you some examples. So suppose I give range 5 and run it. It gives you range 0 to 5. So that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Now I'll go to the next cell and suppose I type range, and then I give it like, okay, I want to start from 2. And I want to get till 7, and I just put it like this. So it's basically range 2 to 7. Now when you assign these things in the list, you will understand why 7 is excluded. Now you can also give it like this, that you want to create step by step. So suppose you want to go from 1 to 10, and you want to go like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Not the 10 part obviously, because 10 is excluded. Now the jumps are there, like 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So this can also be defined. So that is defined as range, then 1, comma, suppose I want to go towards 10, and then I write 2. So it gives you like this. Now what happens if I try to create a list with it? Okay, this time I'm not going to assign a value into it. What we'll do directly is, we'll directly take this range function, put it into list, and display it first. Then we can assign it into a variable. So first list, and let's check up with our first one. So suppose I give range and I write 5. So it gives you the first 5 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. 5 is excluded obviously. Now let me show you again. If I try it with this, we open up the bracket and suppose I write 1, 5. What will happen is 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 5 is excluded. So you're starting from 1 and you want to go till this, and this is how you're doing, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 is cut out. Great. Now we want to find out the jumps of it. So this particular function can also be used like this. So suppose I want to create a list till 1001. 1001 is excluded. I needed 1001, right? So I'll just paste it here, and see, the list is here. So what you can do is you can scroll down all the way along, and you can see it's 1000 is included. Right now it's included because my end was 1001. Okay. Now that we have seen this, I'll just make this a smaller one. It's a huge list, and it gives a very bad option for display. Now 1 to 100 can also be done. What I told you just before was I can go ahead and create a step of it. So suppose if I give 5, what happens? So it starts from 1, then jumps for 5. So it adds 5 constantly. So 1, 6, 11, like that. So let's try it out. 1, 6, 11. And the last number that it should touch is like 99. Whatever is less than 99, it will show you 96. 100 obviously is excluded. So I think you are getting it. Like, you can create a list of n numbers, you can create a list with a arithmetic progression, and you can basically play around with a plethora of data into this list. So I hope this is clear. If it's not clear, you can obviously try back to the first part of the list video. The link is given below. And once you can, just practice this whole script, you will be a pro in lists. So don't worry, this is pretty simple. This is all I had to cover today in this one. List is practically covered right now. Next thing, we'll move to a detail about operators and tuples. Till that time, enjoy, keep practicing, and learn. Don't stop practicing. Guys, please do subscribe, share as much as you can. Okay, take care of your family, take care of yourself. Bye bye.